Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix this error. MySQL shut down unexpectedly. It happens when MySQL database get corrupted. When we start the server, it return an error. Let's get started. Go to File Manager. Click on C drive. Find XAMPP folder and go inside. Go to MySQL. Make a copy of data folder. Name as data, old. Go to data folder. Select folder. MySQL, performance schema, PHP myadmin, test, and delete. Now select all the file except one. Name is bdata1. Go back to MySQL folder and go into backup folder. Copy all files except one, bdata1. Go back to data folder and paste everything. Great, our problem solved. Restart XAMPP server and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe, like, and comment for more update.